morning, everyone. It is currently around 8 in the morning. I just got up and I got dressed and washed my face and all that jazz. My family is also waking up, so if you hear noises in the background, that's what that is. Today I am going to be showing you guys my first day of school vlog. I'm doing air quotes because it's not technically the first day of school, but it's like I'm still meeting teachers for the first time, so it's like the first day of having this specific class day of school. And I just want that to be the title of this video. So today I'm going to be showing you my first day of school and talking about how online school has been different for me and how my district and where I live in Tennessee is taking COVID and all that kind of stuff, but also having some productivity time lapses and all that kind of stuff. Definitely a lot of coffee and a lot of work on my computers and Zoom calls, all that kind of stuff. And also, hi, if you don't know who I am, my name is Maggie Howard and I make lifestyle videos with elements of musical theater, food, vlogs, how to stay productive, hair things, makeup things, all those sorts of things. So if any of that sounds even remotely interesting to you, it would mean so much to me. It would mean so much to me if you subscribe to my channel, because I have a goal of getting to 100 subscribers by the end of the summer. So if you can help me make that happen, I would very much appreciate it. If not, at least just enjoy this video. I'm excited to show you guys my day and get on with the day and meet some of my new teachers, so that should be fun. So I'm about to get on my first Zoom call of the day. It's my freshman seminar class, which I'm not super worried about. Honestly, I think it's just going to be kind of boring, so that should be okay. And wait, no, my first class of the day is history. And I've never met this teacher before, but I heard that she's really nice and she does a good job of teaching, so I'm excited to meet her and get on with the class and actually start to learn. Playing Kahoot. Reconnecting. Well, perfect timing. At least I have my coffee. Okay, so it's currently 10:15-ish, so I have my next Zoom call, which is my freshman seminar class for an hour, and then I will go have lunch. So the first one went really great. This is the first time meeting this teacher that I'm about to go see, and then my history teacher, which you guys saw clips of. We did Kahoot and stuff like that. I really like that teacher. So this is the first time I'm going to meet my freshman seminar teacher, but I have friends on this class, so it should be bearable. Off of a very boring Zoom for the most part this week. Since it's the first week, the teachers have been going for maybe 45 minutes instead of the whole hour, but this teacher went for the full hour, which I was not expecting, but I guess that's how school is going to be. So that was very boring, and I'm going to get some work done. So it is currently 1:20 and I just finished my lunch and I'm about to go on a walk with my dog Max, so I'm going to go do that right now and then get back to work and finish up a little bit more schoolwork. Just repeated myself. That's okay. You go on a walk? Hi. You ready to go on a walk? Okay, sit. Sit. Good boy. So I just finished my walk and I thought I would show you my outfit right now. And I'm wearing a fanny pack right now because that's where we keep all Max's treats and all that kind of stuff. But I feel like it totally goes with my like kind of 90s outfit. So I'll show you in the mirror right here. I have hoop earrings in, I have this just t-shirt, and then these sweatpants, and then this holographic fanny pack. That's kind of low. Makes me laugh because I feel like it's very much going with my outfit. And before I get to work, you guys know I'm gonna go get some coffee, my second cup today, and I'm not mad about it. Okay, so I just finished so much schoolwork. Some people were asking me about what my school situation is like, what it's like. The district I'm in is completely virtual until at least Labor Day, but honestly, I think it's gonna be longer than that because people aren't being responsible, they're not wearing masks, they're not social distancing. But my virtual schedule, usually for my school, I would have A days and B days. So on an A day, I would have my first 4 classes, and on my B day, I would have my other 4 classes, and then every other day would be an A day, and then a B day, and an A day, and a B day. Basically what my school and the high schools in my district are doing is they're having the first semester is all A day, and then the second semester is all B days. My first 4 classes for the whole first semester, and then my other 4 classes for the whole second semester. So like this semester I'm not taking math, English, Spanish, or science. This semester I kind of have it a little bit easy, but I'm not excited for the second semester where I have all of my like hard classes. So basically the district that I'm in has Florida virtual stuff, but it's the same thing we would already be learning, just so everybody, if we're virtual or in real life, would be learning the same thing. So that's what we're doing. So it hasn't really been super hard up until now. Basically, it was just a lot more work than I expected it to be, but I also got all of it done for today, so that's really good. But I'm also glad that it's not just super easy. It's always just good to challenge yourself, so I'm glad that it was a little bit more challenging. Anyway, so I got a lot of work done today. I used my new notebook. I had to like take notes, do matching thing, read a history book, answer questions, do a test, which was very hard. So that's all right. But also another of my classes like make a PowerPoint about you, involve 3 things that define you. So I'm doing like coffee, theater, and my dog. But I'm also curious about how school is wherever you guys live, how your school situation is. Is it all virtual, kind of half and half virtual, real, can't speak, or all real with like masks and stuff. I also wanted to show you guys something I think is kind of funny. All of my like school things are all this same peach color. Like this pen, my computer case, this agenda. Also, I was just checking the stats on my YouTube studio, and my hair routine video is currently #1 for the past 28 days. Which is super cool, really exciting. Feels good to have one that's kind of like beat the other ones in the past. Guys, I don't know if you can see that. Look, 1 out of 10. So I'm about to get to work planning some more back to school videos, YouTube video. That is what a back to school video is. I don't know what I'm trying to say. About to get back to work. Look at that puppy. So cute. Okay, so I just got back from the park. We had a picnic. We ate you can hear my sister in the background. We had Hugh babies for dinner, which I mentioned in my restaurants in Nashville video, which you haven't seen, I'll put it in the eye. But that was super, super delicious, and it was super fun to get to see some friends from a distance. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, especially if you're interested in the other kinds of content that I make, which is lifestyle with twisted musical theater and vloggy stuff, which I guess is lifestyle, I don't know. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe to my channel so I can reach my goal of 100 subscribers by the end of the summer, which I guess it's kind of the end of the summer, but I'm just gonna say like actual summer, like September something, when it's like official, just to give myself a little more time. So if you haven't subscribed, definitely hit that button down there. It means so much to me. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.